Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great.
What is up, ice anglers? Jared Rhodes here, Cold Vision Outdoors. I'm on one of my favorite early ice lakes, and this is a panfish lake. This is not Lake of the Woods, but the ice is great out here. I've found good ice pretty much everywhere. There may be some sketchy spots. I just kind of walked around those though, but everywhere else I'm finding good ice. I'm about to drill the first hole of the season with my Jiffy manual auger, and those of you guys that know me know that this is where I start every season. I usually have the dog attached to the dog sled, and but this season I didn't want to bring the dog out quite yet because I wasn't sure about the ice conditions. But I'm about to drill my first hole and drop the live scope down. We're supposed to be in about 19 foot of water. We'll see.
Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position. I'm staying up, it's getting late. You're doing good, I'm doing great.
So I'm out here fishing. I got this little tungsten jig. This little tungsten jig from True North Baits, and that's a good sized bluegill, kids.
When time is of the essence, then it should improve. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home. I had to let you go so I could grow and move. When time is of the essence, then it should improve. I had to leave to see what I could do alone. And when I get the money, then I'm coming home. Recognition, I'm on a mission.
Oh, crappie time.
I'm in position, I'm staying up, it's getting late.
Why don't you do what you do, what you do, what you do, why don't you do what you do, what you do, what you do?